I am going to teaching you how to use the Photoshop, how to familiar with the Photoshop. Like आपको मालूम होना चाहिए इसके बेसिक व्हाट इज द बेसिक कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट्स ऑफ द Photoshop. So that all the shortcut I will use. So same thing, you know how to start the Photoshop. You can go here and you can start the Photoshop. Second one, you can also write here. Everybody know this. Write here Photoshop PHO and you can find your software. Understand? So this, suppose this is the basic structure. You everybody know this is the layout of Photoshop. Okay. Suppose if the sometime this panel is not there, color panel is not there, this panel is good, and suppose the layer is also not there. Okay. So how to open this all the thing? You know this all thing is called windows. This small windows. So definitely we can find this all the thing in the windows. Suppose if you want to open the layer. Okay, this is the layer and you can customize. It is called customize. If you want to need layer here, you can drag it. If you want to it here, you can drag it. So mostly it is by default it is here. So this is the okay. The F7 is the shortcut for F7 layer आ गया. F7 it is hide. F7 आ गया. F7 is the shortcut for layer hide. And if you suppose one thing is more there, you can find lots of other toolbar. So tool preset, this one. I'll tell you how to use this all the thing. So you can whether if anything you don't find here, you can open from this windows. Okay, you can there is everything. Name is there, paragraph, path, properties, style, swatches. This is the swatches. So you can find and remaining things. Suppose you don't require tool palettes right now. Close it. You don't require adjustment style. This thing close it. So I need only layers only. And second one, by default this color is black and white. Okay, right now there is color is blue and this is white. So maybe sometime it is red, sometime it is red and sometime it is yellow because last color setting was there. So how to reset this setting? D for default color. Okay, understand? So how to open any documents? First of all, everybody know that you can click on the blank area, you can open. And second one, you can control O and you can open the documents. Third option, you can open from here only. Open. So this is your computer. Everybody know that this is the computer portion. Go to the drive, and I have some of the news photograph. But end of the course, everybody have this folder. Okay, I can open from this image. Okay, so suppose I can select background. Okay, I can select this one. So this is the photograph I selected. Yes, sir. Okay, whenever you can select anything, this is the zoom in. This is the layer. Okay, how to increase the layer view, layer panel? You can go to this small window, open this, and go to the panel option. Very good. Then go to the larger. Then okay. So you can find this larger image. So you can understand. Suppose you can click in and you can open the layer and always give some name. If you try to give the name, this project will give you the help. In the company, you should write the name. So this is our background, someone. BACKGROUND. Okay? Background. And everybody know control minus zoom in. This is the zoom in and you can, this is the zoom window. Minimum zoom is 0.6%. Okay? Yes. And what is the highest? Control plus 32%, 3200% zoom. Okay, so this is the called zoom percent. Suppose I can go there, I can write 100%, enter, it will go 100%. Okay, suppose again control minus control 0, fit to window. So control 0 you should remember every time, that is called fit to window. Here I am showing you how to use the Photoshop. I am not going to make anything, so that you can become familiar with that. Second one, every time if you want new image, suppose if you want to new image here, new layer here, how to open any other document here? You can go to the file, you can place. And suppose I need this girl here. Okay, so this is your new image, this is the new image, this is the 2 layer. Whenever you can place anything, you can find this. This is a smart object thumbnail. Okay, First of all, write smart object. This is the spelling. Smart object. What is a smart object? A smart object की अस्ची. So first of all, I want to tell you, I am going to give you some videos also, but even that you can write that. Where is date? Photoshop date. Photoshop. December. Maybe December. This one. Important of smart object Photoshop. Okay. I am teaching you here, but I will give you this video also. So this folder you can find one video in this folder. Okay. So that video you can find the tutorial also of that thing. Suppose this one is smart object guideline. Smart object, yeah, this one here. What is the smart object in Photoshop? I can open that. So suppose if you forget, time to time visit this all the thing. The voice is not good right now because in this one, but whatever he is saying same thing. Understand what is the usage of smart object? So if you forget, you can go there, you can learn. Okay, so I will give you this all the folder. So maybe you can, when you go to the folder, write this name, read this name, smart object. It means this is the tutorial of smart object. Okay, understand? Again I come to here. So a smart object. So what is the, this is there logo of smart object? No, but there is one icon of smart object. This one. Understand everyone? So if I want to go it rasterize, I can make it rasterize. Go there, rasterize image. क्या? अभी नहीं, बाद में आ जाओ please. Classes. Okay. So this one is the you understand this one and this one, two layers you understand very well. So suppose this is simple image. This is simple image. How to convert any image into the smart object? Very good. Go to the layer and have you seen any smart object here? Smart object, this one, very good. Okay, go to the layer smart object. So it is converted into same. And in understand? So when you place any images, जब भी कोई image place करते हैं, it will automatically come as a smart object. Understand? I can delete this all the thing. Okay, I tell you all the things same thing. Understand? How can I make one more image here? First, Control O. Okay, this image. This is another document. This is another document. Okay. Yes, Control A, Control C, and Control V. This is one technique. But have you seen here the smart object icon? No. It is simple object. Understand? If I will make it small, if I can make it big, and I can make it again small, and again I can make it big, the quality will lose. Okay? But I will do different thing. I can hide this object for the some time. Now I can place any image, same image, this one of same thing. I can make it smaller, I can drag it, I can keep it here, I can again drag it, I can do it, I can make it very small, then I can again drag it, then I can rotate it, I can do lot of things with an image, anything. Okay, and I want to see, is there any problem in image? I can increase, there is no problem. Understand why we use a smart object? The smart object preserve the image quality. Means image quality best थी पहले जब हम यहाँ पे लेके आए थे, तो it will save the image quality in mind. Photoshop. No, this is smart object. I don't have to lose this image. Understand everybody? Yes. So this is called smart object. So if you want to do something, this you can do it like this. Other thing I will tell you in the smart object. So here you can see this. This is not a smart object. The problem is there, and this is smart object. Yes. So if there is any problem, you have to understand. Okay, I have to convert into a smart object. Again, I tell you how to convert this object. Go to the layer and smart object. Understand? Yes. So this is no image of no use of this one. I can remove this. This is the smart object. Again, suppose what happened. in the smart object, second option. Suppose I want to some filter. There is some filter like blur, Gaussian blur, yeah, anything if you want to give this one. Okay, so it will give you this option. There is one more channel there, one box. What is the use of this? Double click on this one, you can find same option. If you want to reduce the things, you can reduce it. Like you can reduce it. This is the, if you want to again change, you can change it. Okay, but I can do it in this image right now. Okay, I can do it same thing in this object, but this is not a smart object. This is simple image. I can do it same. I can go to the filter, go to the blur, go to the Gaussian blur, and I can make it blur. Okay, but suppose after some time if I want to change this blur, is that possible? No, because there is no layer. Understand? Yes, again I will show you same thing. You should understand that thing on your mind. What is the user of smart object? Okay, then again go there, new layer. I can do one thing. I can use two image. Place. I can take another wonderful photo. Maybe this thing. This I can read. It's good, beautiful. This one image is there, and this is the smart object. I have placed this image, but I can do it. Control O. This is the open image. Control A, Control C. Go to your document and Control V. First of all, when you place any Control C, Control V, it will give you the bigger size. So you have lot of time to spend to make a real size. Okay, this is time loss. Time is lost to Control O. Control O, loss your time mostly. So this is simple object. This is simple image. Understand? And this is smart object. There. This is this image. Go. Which is the layer? This is simple. And this one. This is icon there. Smart object icon. Okay. This is a smart object. So first you understand the quality is lost. Second, what happened? I will give you the blur object. I can blur this image. I can go to the filter or blur. No, I can add noise, or I can add render, sharpen is stylus, emboss. Okay, I can emboss it. Some kind of this type of paintings are there. They use in a wall and sometime. So this is the emboss. Okay, this is the smart object. This is the symbol. One layer is come automatically. I don't make this one. I can make it is emboss again in this image. Blur, destroys, sharpen. Suppose sharpen the edge. Anything you can do, or you can make it more stylus, diffuse. Okay, so a lot of thing you can do. So I have used the filters. These are the filter, ready-made filters are there in the Photoshop. I have used in this also. I have used in this simple image also. What happened? In the simple layer, there is no any other layer. In this, I can find this layer. So what happened? Suppose if I want to change. Suppose after some time, I think our emboss is not good. I want to change something. Okay. In this section, in this smart object, this is possible. Go to the emboss, double click, and you can make it better. You can change it if you require. Okay, anything you can require, you can change it. You can change it anything. But in the simple document, you don't have to change option. There is no option for change. Understand? अरे भाई अभी नहीं है भाई, जाओ यार, अभी जाओ, इनको बोलो ना यार जाने, 5% दे दो इनको, जाने दो. कैंसर है तो क्या, दे दो यार, जाओ. इतने से कैंसर ठीक होगा तो ठीक है, नहीं तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. और दरवाजा बंद कर दो, बच्चों को डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है. गो आउटसाइड. अरे कैंसर है तो तुम, जिसको कैंसर है ना, कल उसको लेकर आना, दवाई करा देंगे. बंद करो दरवाजा. Understand? So this object there is no option for change that, but in the smart object you can change anything. Understand? So this is the useful for thing. In the smart object you can change your filter after some time. Okay, but in the simple object you are not able to change the object. In the simple image the quality is lost, but the smart object quality is good. Understand? So yes, whatever you understand, write this all the thing in Bengali language also in your mind. So can I remove this all the thing? You have understand?
Yeah.
Control S, I can do anything. I can save this all the thing in desktop with name. So you can find DEMO demo 2 smart object. Smart object. You can remember by this file, or I can save as the Photoshop document. Okay, so everything you understand here. Right now I can do one thing. I am not teaching you anything right now. I am teaching you how to use the software. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So right now I can do one thing. I can sample images, date of the course. Collect this folder from my side, date folder, okay? And there is more images, adding a motion photos of November. Today everybody should collect this all the images from my side, okay? I can do one thing. I can open lot of images from this folder. Okay, I can tell you what is layer, group, and what is layer folder. Okay, what is the use of layer folder and what is the use of group in Photoshop. Here you can understand what is layer. Open. I can do it from here. I can go to the. I'll go to the same folder. This is E drive, date, and November. Images new. Some of the images are there. You can do one thing. You can open yes, open one images like this one. Again go to go to the place. This is one images. This is two images. And after that sometime you find this cross. It means it's saying that image is imported, please apply, so enter. Then again place two images there. I want to make a folder, different folder for this. This is the same actress. I can make a folder for this. Some 2 days before I collect this photograph from the internet. It's looking beautiful, so that I collect this all the image to teach you this software and make it little bit good. Here there is no need of this all the thing. So these 4 images are there.
Yes.
Right now I can place some more images like animals. This is baby tiger looking beautiful, so cute. Again I can place some these images I will give you. You can make something to using this image. Okay, this is the wonderful image. This is the PNG image. No need to crop the images. You can make it wonderful. Suppose you can take your photograph like you and उसके शेर के ऊपर बैठा हुआ है. So it like this one. दिस इज द रियल क्रिएटिविटी. अपने दोस्त को बोलो कि मैं ऐसे करता हूँ, बाइक में बैठता हूँ, तू मेरा फोटो खींच और उसको क्रॉप करके शेर के पीछे बैठा हुआ है ऐसा बनाओ. सो दैट इज द रियल क्रिएटिविटी. मतलब व्हेन यू विल प्रेजेंट दिस ऑल द थिंग्स टू द कंपनी, दे अंडरस्टैंड ओके दिस इज द क्रिएटिव पर्सन एक्चुअली. सो सम एनिमल्स आर देयर. ओके एंड प्लेस some of the more images, wonderful images I have collected. This one I can give you this image. So what happened, girls or boys can do one thing. They can take your photograph like this one in same angle. They can cut their face and put it your face over there. Okay, so it will give you, it is the thing how to, what to learn, what to do at your home. That's why I collect this all the images. One more image last. This is for boys. Look, because you are all not good from the downside, so you can use this all the images and take it your photo in the upper side. तो शादी वादी के लिए फोटो होगा तो ये पूरा फोटो भेज देना, अपना चेहरा लगा पसंद कर लो कौन सा चाहिए. See, you understand, lots of photographs are there. Okay, so suppose I can do one thing, I can do it. मैं सब आड़ा टेढ़ा कर रहा हूँ थोड़ी देर के लिए. You can drag your photo like this one. You can drag it. Okay. So what happened, this is the photos like this one. Okay, but here I want to make a group. First of all, So I want to make how to make the group. So this is the tiger animal. I can do it control shift, because this is the three images. Okay, control G, make it folder. This is the folder. This is animals folder. Okay, and this is also animal. Drag it on the animal folder. Okay, this is the actress. So drag it first in the downside. Suppose this one. Okay, open the image. Select this image by the shift to control G. Okay, and this is actress. So use again, I need this image into this folder. Drag it into this folder. Understand? And this again, drag it into this folder. And this is the two images. Again, control G. So this is the group.
Control G is
For group the folder, but here you can select. But and what happened? Suppose if you want to work in actors, you can open this image. You can work even here. You can drag all the images. This one you can do. But this is the separate folder. So it will give you the good thing. Suppose if you are working in any face, you can group your eyes, this all the thing. Okay, you can group another parts. And if you are working on the some other dresses, so this is the wonderful thing. When you will go to the company, this you should understand this one. You should save your folder like this. Okay, so this one. I can see you one of the example. Today I am going to give you one folder, window D, and whatever I am going to give you, that resume is there. Okay, go to the D drive. I have some resume. I am able to give you today that resume design. Today I will give you this thing. Is there folder? No. Rafiq, yes, this is just an example. Okay, so what happened, I can give you this folder also. Yesterday I make it how to edit. This file I give you for the edit only. You just edit so that you can understand the Photoshop. Right click, open, do Photoshop. Whenever you will open your Photoshop, you can find this image here. This is the ungroup, group. You can close this all the folder. If it is open, close. Okay, this all thing is closed, and this is the thing remaining, because this is background. This is the three background, so there is no need of any background. So what happened? This is the professional resume. This resume is made by one of the biggest company. So this is just an example. What you have to do? Just a minute. हाँ, हाँ नहीं दूंगा, उसको निकाल दिया. ठीक है, चलो भाई. हाँ, तो what happened? This is the professional resume. This is the professional resume, and what I am showing this all the thing. So I download this all the file from the internet. Okay, from one of my friend. And this is the process. Name and picture, one photograph. Means in this group you can find your name, photograph, and background of the scene. In other folder, contact details. In other folder, other bullets. This is the bullet point 1, 2, 3. So this is the good thing. So whenever you can download or you can make anything, you can convert all the thing like this. Understand? So I can give you this folder. So how to edit this file? Suppose if you go by default, the software is like this one, group. There is a group you can find, and you want to edit the Rafi. This is name. You want to edit this name. If you want to double click, it is not open. It will not work. So what happened? And you want to work. So first of all, open this file, and you can go there. Then you can find this name. Then you can go there. You can T and double click on. You can work on that. First is this option, but this is little bit harder. So what happened? You can do one thing, go to the group, very easy way, and go to the layer. If you are, then you can select anything very easily and you can work. Suppose if you want to change this one, select T, select this one, use press T and change it. Understand everybody?
Yes.
So I'll give you this file, and after this image, you want to change this image. So is there any option to replace images there in Photoshop? No, no problem. You can delete this file, you can go to the edit, you can place any file here. Come, you can place this file here. So suppose I don't have, okay, this one I can place. This is
नाम आपका सभी
छवि और किसी का. Understand how to do, and same thing you have to work on this one, portfolio, work experience. So some of the real project I have given you. Click on computer, one project is there, you can go click on computer.in, and if you want to change any banner, anything, you can give me, I will change that. Okay, right now I am working this project, and one project IMT Baroda, educational project, they have a biggest college in India, IMT Baroda. So if you will give me any image, I can change it. So you can write down you are working this project, graphic designer, click on one project and click on site. This is your work experience, and name and school, only two things. School 12th class कहाँ से, where you cross your 12th, or graduation and master degree if you have master degree, or graduation then graduation. That's all. Don't need lot of things. It's complete. So you have to work on this, and if any student want to change this color, this thing, they can also change. Okay. If they want to change, they don't want to change, it's okay. So I'll give you this file everybody. So don't worry about that. After completing this file, you can go to the Control S, means Photoshop file save, it will save your Photoshop document. Second one, save as, drop down, go to the JPG image, then you can save your JPG file. I can replace that file. Then again file, save as, it is saving actually. When this file is saving, it takes time. Save as, go to the PDF, portable document format, this one. Why? Portable document format is good for printing. Okay, for digital printing also, for CMYK printing also, or newspaper ad also. So you have to understand PDF. Come and sit here only. So PDF, understand everybody, portable document format. Some company they need your PDF format, or send your resume in PDF format. So if you make your resume in Photoshop, how can send your PDF format? Go to the PDF and save this file. This file, one copy is already there. Okay, then this one, and this is the journal information, you can save. Okay, understand? So again I am going to the same folder. I think this folder is already there. So this is our JPG file. This is the JPG file. You can see this file. Okay, and this is your PDF file. So you can send this file to anywhere. Suppose, okay, you understand how to edit any document. You also understand what is layer. You also understand how to group any layer. Okay, and why group is good as a professional. So right now I am tell you, if you want to ungroup anything. Suppose if you don't want to you don't want to work on the group. It is good if you will work on the group. Okay, if you download any file, lots of person they download lot of things in the Photoshop, in the internet, and they work on that. So maybe that time you can find all the group. Okay, and if you want to work on the group, you understand, go to the layer and work it very easily. But even if you want to ungroup, right click, ungroup layer. So it can ungroup. It can ungroup you. Understand everybody?
Yes, sir.
So this one the thing. So here this is the JPG image, this is the PDF, this is the file. If I want to edit again in same resume, which file is important for that time? PSD. This is okay, and this is the PDF file. Suppose if anybody tell you what is the size of your PDF, please send me 5 MB PDF only. Yeah, 1 MB PDF. So go to their properties. You can see what is the size, 10 MB. Okay, but internet they require in your form submission, in your college form submission, they require 1 MB only. So what to do for that? This file is there. Go to the internet. Then lovepdf.com. One website is there. ilovepdf.com. Okay, go there, select this file, click on the compress, it will become a 1 and 2 MB. Understand everybody? So if you forget the website name, go to the Google and write compress PDF online free. So you can find 1 and 2 website in the upper side. You can select this, you can compress and you can send. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So again you can see that what is the quality, then you can understand, okay, it is 1 MB, it's okay. Then you can send. Again, same thing in the JPG also you can find lot of time. Other, if you don't find the anything online, then you can go to there, then Control A, Control C, Control N. This is the size, 2000 pixel and 3000 pixel. It is a size. How can you know the size? This is the JPG image, you understand. This is not a PSD file. Okay, this is the JPG file. So Control A, select all in the layer, same layer only, because there is one image. Control C and Control N, you can find the image total. This is the size. If anybody tell you in the examination, in the newspaper, in any of the submit the online like the BD skill form, if they tell you we require only 1000 pixel width image, you know, resume size should be a 1000 pixel only, not over than 1000. So go there and make it 1000. Okay, and okay, suppose Control Z. This is the note, not go there, this is not. In this document, I want to make it 1000. Control Alter I. Control Alter I. Same pixel are there, height and width. Okay. And what I need, this is the inches. Make it pixel. Points. Points is called pixel. Okay. This is the point. Suppose if they will tell you 500, 650, 400, 300, whatever you can they can tell you. Write it here. Suppose the resume size should be a 500 only. Write it 500. Enter. It will convert into 500. Okay. Then how to save this image? Because we want to save this image into the internet. We want to upload. Then do not save only. Save. Go to the pixel. This is simple way. And JPG. This is the simple way. You can do one thing. Control Alter Shift S. Save for web. This window will become there. Okay. Control Alter Shift S. You can this is the quality. If you want to select 100%, Control 0, it will look like this. Okay. Zoom in, zoom out. Control minus. You can do this from here only.
Control Alter W.
Shift S. Yeah. So this is especially for the web. Anything you want to upload in the Facebook, in the WhatsApp, in the resume, in internet, in the Google, Control Alter Shift S is best. Understand everybody? It will save your quality file, make your file good. And this is the JPG file. This is the save, and this is the resume one. I can make it resume 2. So we can compare the size. Okay. This is the resume 2. Again, I am going to same folder, and this is the resume 1. The size of resume 1 is 2.5 MB. Okay. And the size of our size is, it is only 73 KB, 731. You know 1 MB is equal to 1000 KB. Write down. 1000 KB means 2 MB file. How much KB?
2020.
2000 only. 1000 and 2. If the size is 2.5 MB means 2500 KB. 2500 KB. Okay, so if you want to remove the quality, if you want to reduce the quality, sorry, so you can do that all the thing. So this is the only 700. Okay, so if you will send this file to your friend in the WhatsApp, it can take only 2 KB data, or it can download. If you will send this file, it will take more than 1 GB data. Definitely understand.
Yes, sir.
So because if we download any image, our internet data will cut from the backside. So if you are going to this image, it will give the quality is as much good quality, and you can send this image. Understand the basic funda of that? So I can close. Right now I am not teaching anything in the Photoshop. I am saying you how to use the Photoshop. Understand? Everybody know Control W is the shortcut for that. Control W. I can remove this all the thing. So you understand the folder. You understand this other thing also. And go to the file. and go to the recent document. Means whatever document you use in last 10 step, you can find out all the document here. Like the resume we have worked. If you want to open the resume, you can open from here only. This one. Go to the file and recent document. If you want to open a smart object PDF, smart object PSD, we have also worked on that. Understand?
Yes.
Recent 10 photo files you can find over there in this folder. But if you change, suppose I have changed this file, resume file, I have saved this resume file into my D drive resume folder. If I will delete that file from the D folder resume, that it will be not open. Because you have deleted, how can it find the, understand? Source file delete. Suppose I can show you this resume.jpg. I can go there, not this folder, this D resume directory, and resume 2 I can delete. Okay, delete this folder, and again I am going to open this file, object resume 2, resume
तो नहीं
और नहीं है, चलो मैं रिज्यूम डिलीट करके देखता हूँ मैं. ओके, ये रिज्यूम है, इसको डिलीट किया मैंने, और ये PDF भी डिलीट किया मैंने. डिलीट. नाउ I can go there, open the file, resume PDF. It is saying I don't find the file. Understand?
Yes.
So this one is the basic thing. I am not going to teaching you anything in the Photoshop today. I am going to tell you how to use the basic Photoshop over there. And again, I can open 2 and 3 document again in this same software. Some more photograph image for application. Okay, everybody know that control tab for jump to one to another document.
Yes.
Okay, control tab for jump to one to another document. This jump word in Photoshop is called toggle. How to toggle the document? Control tab. How to jump the document? Control tab. Same word. Understand? You go to the Google, you can also find some of the things. But control tab. How to toggle the document? TOGGLE, I think, toggle. So control tab, how to toggle. This is not a compulsory thing, but sometimes the examiner and कुछ बहुत खराब लोग होते हैं, वो बच्चों से ऐसा पूछते हैं ताकि आपको छोटा दिखा सके, और मुझे ऐसे लोग अच्छे नहीं लगते. तो उनको बच्चों से ऐसे ही पूछना चाहिए कि एक डॉक्यूमेंट से कैसे दूसरे डॉक्यूमेंट जब मारते हैं तो वो याद आएगा, वो बताएगा. तो रियली मतलब ऐसा होना चाहिए इंसान को, बट वो ऐसा होता नहीं है. सो टगल यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. आप भूल जाओगे मगर आपको याद आते जाएगा. तो कंट्रोल टैब. वन थिंग, दिस इज वन डॉक्यूमेंट और दिस इज सेकेंड. आई कैन यूज कंट्रोल टैब, आई कैन गो देयर. ओके, अगेन इफ आई यूज कंट्रोल टैब आई कैन कम हियर. सो कंट्रोल शिफ्ट टैब, गो अपोजिट. This is the control tab, you are going here. Control shift tab, you are coming here. Understand? Lot of document. So simple thing, no need use of this all the thing. So this is the some image. What happened? If I want to see this all the images, go to the workspace and arrange document. This is the tile. I can arrange this all the document like this also. And I want to hide this all the thing. It can hide from here. This is the windows. I don't want to see this window right now. You can button. You can click 1, 2, 3, 4 document. Okay. This is the same arrangement of the document. Windows, arrange. This is, you understand, tile vertically. This is the tile horizontal. This is the again. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 4 setup. This is good thing. Mostly it is sometime like this maybe, but I don't like this even. Yeah. So arrange, you understand this one. Okay, you can understand vertically, you can understand 4 setup, you can understand the tiles also. Go to the cells here. So this is general things. This is the common thing, default. Okay. Go to the arrange. This is the last one is the good thing. This is the tiles again. Float all windows. This float all window means you can find these all the windows like this. You can customize according to you. All the full windows are here. What is the usage? Suppose I want to drag this image. I can drag this image here. Okay. I use these images. Right now there is 4 images. Okay, sometime this happened. Your Photoshop there is nothing is there. Use tab. This one. Go to the there document. You can find this object. Minimize. You can minimize it. You can find this object again here. Okay. So again I need this all the photographs here. So you can drag your photos like this one. Understand? Right now there is one object. So in the future if you want to work like this, it is also possible. Here I am telling you how to use the software. I am not going to teaching you anything. This is the minimize again, and go to the window, arrange, workspace, go to the arrange and go to the. This is the wonderful. All the images are there. Some images are bigger. So and layer is also there. Okay, and again this object you can find your all there. 4 images are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. How to work with these 4 images in the same time? Select this all the thing and control minus. You can find all the thing here. Hold down the shift and make it smaller. Drag it from your mouse. Make it smaller. Drag it. Control 0. So you can find all the images here. Okay. Then you can make. You can try to make it one wonderful thing also. Select this all the 4 images, and is that possible? Center is possible only, but I want to reduce the size. Okay, this one is the center and this one is the center. Again all the images in the center. Understand? Yes. After that if you want to increase the size, I want to increase the size of these images. I can fit these images. Right now, yeah, every images is fitting. This one I can increase this file. This one remove. This is a smaller file 1. Okay, increase this file again. Okay, this one again. This one is smaller. Make it bigger. So always I am using the shift. Okay, right now 4 images. 1 bigger, 2 this is bigger from the canvas. This is again bigger from the canvas. And this is again bigger from the canvas. Every image is bigger than canvas. This is called canvas. This page document is called canvas in the Photoshop. Understand? So if anybody tell you what is the canvas, so you can understand that Photoshop document, a working place, working board is called canvas. So this is the canvas. I want to remove this outside folders, outside images from the everywhere. How to delete? Very good. Go to the image and trim. Okay. Then it will trim you all the images. It is not trim one image. It can trim you all the images. Right now, each and every images it fit to the window. Understand everybody? Yes. So this is the good thing. You can do it from here. Right now, I can select all the 4 images. Okay. And I can decrease the size because I want to show some different thing also. Increase the size. Yes.
Is there any option untrim?
For untrim, no. No. Then you have to do Control Z only. Filter,
Sir.
View. One smart guideline. Smart guideline, switches, property, paragraph, navigation, windows, screen, brush, adjustment, action, view. Smart guides are there. Log grids.
Smart object है.
New grids. Log grid. No, only smart guides. So smart guides. Yeah, this one. Understand? So smart guide. What is the smart guides? Maybe when the first time, whenever you can open this software, you don't find the smart guides object. It will be closed always. But it is really wonderful for the alignment. Smart object means alignment, useful, full for alignment. You can write this one. Smart object, it will help you to alignment anything. I can open this smart object. Right now, if I went to, I will drag this object. I am finding one of the, my images are automatically taking place. This one. Okay. This saying the center line is there. One upper line is there. One down line is there. Understand? It will saying you, okay, it is fit right now. If you will remove, it's okay. I can remove it. Again, I can show this. I want to put this image here. So again, this is the upper line it's showing. This is the wonderful. The line, straight line is there. You can drag it. If this line is not there, again, go to the view. Go to the where? So and small line. If this is off, and I want to set this image, it's not possible to save 100%. It will be maybe other person. Understand?
Yes.
So this is smart guides. कहाँ चले जाता भाई? View, always view में. So smart guides. So smart guide. So right now, if I want to set, it will give you this. See, one horizontal line is also there. Is saying that it is matching from this side. One vertical line is also there. So it is good if you will work with the smart line. So there is one question in the examination. They will ask you what is a smart line. Understand? Okay. First and second one, I will tell you what is alignment actually. These 4 images are there. I can do it. I can select all the 4 images and I want to reduce the size. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Same thing I can do it because all the images are same. I can select from here very easily. Hold down the shape. Okay. So if you want to select from this way, it is better. You can select from this. Suppose this one, hold down the shape. This one, it's not good. If it is 2 images, then it's good. If the all images, this one and this one, all images selected, you can reduce the side. The side will be reduced very properly. So 1, 2, 3 images. Okay. So I want to make the alignment here. For the alignment, I need little bit more place. More large. 1. Good. It's great. 4 images. Select all the full file. This also you can drag this all the file and you can select all the thing I am doing from the move tool. Understand? In today I don't use any of the tool. I am always in the move tool. Select this image. After selection any of the document, here you are saying that all the documents selected. Okay. Go to the top for top. This is the top. Control Z. Go to the bottom alignment. Control Z. Go to the center alignment. Okay. And if you go to this center alignment, it will make all the image one by one because it is vertically center. Understand? Again, understands everything. If the image is like this one, what I want to do? I want to make a same distance also. The distance is not good. Okay, the distance of this image, this is big distance, there is lower distance, and this is other distance. I want to make a proper distance. I might make is proper alignment. Everything without using mouse. So select all the images here. First go to the top. Okay. Then after top you can find this window. So this is the center and this is the center. Right now you can find each and every alignment is wonderful. Understand everybody? So again I will show you this thing. Suppose this is the different size. Understand? Every file is outside. This is the different size and I want to make it proper alignment. Select all the images. Then you can go directly 1 and 2. Then top. Understand? Right now this alignment is same. Understand what I am going to teach you in this software? Okay. First of all, second, so you understand the alignment better. If I want to make a copy of this 4 object, alter, drag. Control J you understand. Before that you understand Control J. But you can also copy with hold down the alter, drag it. Understand? Hold down the alter, drag it. So you can copy the object from this also. And Control J I can select and use Control J. It is the same. You can find same thing. Same process. Understand? Control J and this hold down the alter is same. So mostly people are using alter. because if you are using the shortcut from your keyboard, you can become a good expert graphic designer or Photoshop designer. Understand everybody? Okay. So what happened? I can do one thing. I can tell you one thing. Suppose this is our image and image is ready, and there are lot of images. Okay. So group, you understand everybody. How can group? You can make it group like this one 4, and Control G you can make group. Control G you can find a group up there. Okay. And how to make, suppose this all the images are there, okay, and you want to make a one layer. So this is this image. First of all, ungroup this. First image, second image, third image. Okay. So click here or click in the type top. Click on the type, Control E, merge. Control E, merge. Right now this is one image, become one image. Understand? One more image is there. I can again use Control E. Control E. This is one image right now. Okay, it is merged. After merging, it's not possible to re-merge. Understand? If you merge, if it's not possible to again convert into the layer, only do it from your control. Cut, copy paste, cut, copy paste. It will take time. So merge, you understand? Suppose I want to merge this file. So Control E, I cannot merge from this way. I can go to the top only. Go to the top. This is the top. Because ऊपर से नीचे की ओर मर्ज होता है. अंडरस्टैंड? नीचे वाली इमेज के साथ मर्ज होता है, ऊपर के साथ नहीं होता है. तो मैं यहाँ पे गया, अगर मैं कंट्रोल ई करूंगा तो ये मर्ज हो जाएगा. अगर मैं कंट्रोल ई करते जाऊंगा तो सारी की सारी मर्ज हो जाएगी. हाँ, और अगर बहुत सारी इमेज है और सबको मर्ज करना है तो कंट्रोल शिफ्ट ई, ऑल द मर्ज. Understand? Yes. But it's not possible to do. Merge, everybody understand what is merge into layer? 2 layers होता है ना, उसको merge करने के लिए रहता है, मिलाने के लिए रहता है. Understand? किसी से कुछ में पढ़ाते समय बनता है, मैं बताता हूँ. और whenever I am teaching anything, तो कुछ % होशियार है उनको बनता है, वो सही बनता है. कुछ लोगों को नहीं बनता है, तो जिसको नहीं बनता वो शर्म के कारण पूछते नहीं कि क्या है. ऐसा नहीं करना, बाद में बहुत जिंदगी में बहुत नुकसान होगा. तो नहीं बनता है तो बोल दिया करो नहीं बनता है. अंडरस्टैंड? बाद में कोई हेल्प नहीं करता, सब अपना अपने घर चले जाएंगे, इसलिए आपको नहीं बनता. तो सो यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग वेरी वेल. और थोड़ी सा इसे ठीक करना होगा. ओके. सो layer, you understand the alignment, you understand the merge the layer, you understand how to merge lots of images. Okay. You understand how to save the file, you understand what is JPG, what is JPG size, how to make the PDF file, how to compress the PDF file, how to toggle one document to another document. Everything, this basic thing you understand. I am not teaching you the Photoshop software right now. Understand? But if you learn this all the thing, because lot of thing you can learn from the YouTube also. But whatever I am teaching you, never find this video in all the life. Because there is no video of this all the thing. But you can find this video from here. Maybe this person saved this video, make it video from my computer. So this is the basic thing, whatever I am teaching you. I can teach you one more thing. Simply I can go there, I can open 2 document only. This one is 2 document. I need one bigger image actually. Okay, this one is good. Open Photoshop. Within last 10 minutes I can repeat everything very fastly. I don't want, I'll not ask you anybody ki whether they know that thing or not. I can repeat everything. You just watch my screen. Two images are there. Okay, first of all I already tell you how to unlock. Understand? I can tell you what is color matching. Color match I already tell you. This is the increase the size. I want to remove this background. How to remove this background? It is very good. You can remove from here this one, and you can make it black. D for black, shift X for this one. Everybody understand? This is zoom by shift X, this one. Understand? And you know that if I will use B, and you can do it from here. Control Z, you can do it from here. This thing you understand. Okay, so I can tell you this all the thing in another way. Second one, how to delete background? Delete from the pen tool. You are everybody understand that?
Yes.
Okay. So pen tool you understand, this deleting you understand. I can do it, I can try to do it. This is mostly, this option is work on the single color, okay, but I can try to do it from the this color range, because I am little bit professional, so I am doing this thing, but you can do it this, you can try this option in the single background, maybe background red, background blue, anything. After this window, it will come like this one. You can increase the size, or suppose I can click on there, this portion. I want to select this portion. Okay, so click in this portion and increase it little bit. Okay, and also select this portion. Okay, this portion, this color. So this color is also selected. But what happened? There is one blue color in the dress also, and this is. So computer what understand? Okay, I have to select all the blue color because I click on the blue color. So it will select like this. You have to manage this one as much possible. This one, understand? Okay. Then after selecting, you can find okay, this one is selected automatically. 100%. This is the third way, and you don't selected this one. First of all, you know, shift for the increase the shift for increase the selection. Go there and hold down the shift, and you make it like this one. You can make it. Otherwise, you can make it from the rectangle also. Anything you can make it. This is, hold down the shift. You can make it this. Okay, this line is selected. That's why it's not working out. Okay, this portion is selected. Okay, I want to change this background. For the background change, I can use Control Alt R. Yes. Refine the images. Refine image, because after refine I will find this smoothness on this portion. Okay, so refine the images. You can make it proper. As much smoothness. Maybe there is no need of layer, I think. As much possible मैंने किया ऐसे. Okay, so you can do Control Alt R. After that you can find this image. Automatically it will come like this one. I want to change this background. Okay, after changing the background, you can also do it from your side. Go to this panel, this down side. Okay, create new fill adjustment layer and go to the solid fill. Okay, you can go to the gradient also, because there is gradient. I can fill gradient. Okay, go to the gradient. You can select this all. You can find this lot of color. So I can do it. I can fill some of those good colors. Like okay, I can try to make a sunset. This one. But I want to work. I want to remove this color. I can remove. I can make it here. I can, if I want to change this color, I can able to change also from this one. Okay. So this is a little bit good. On double click, you can change the color from here, and double click you can find any box here. Remove, आ गया. Remove, आ गया. Understand? So make it according to you and okay. Right now what happened? There is something missing in there, this place.
Yeah.
And so how to do this all the thing? In this layer, we are working this layer. This layer will automatically come. Okay. Go to the brush. B for brush. D for default. Okay. Then go to the this portion you can click, otherwise brush will not come. Okay, so I am doing it larger. I am making a little bit, or this one. So what this is doing? This is right now it is reduced again, showing the old image. Old image come by the brush tool. But what my option is there? Control Z. I want to remove this more option. This blue option I want to remove. Okay. For that you can use white. Shift X, use white, you can do it, and you can make it very smaller, opacity very good. So this is the best option. I think it is 20%. Increase it, offset increase it, minus. You can zoom in and do it from your side very carefully. So this is the one way to change the background. Understand? Okay. But whenever you work here, you can work very beautifully. So this is the third way. So again, I am showing this of the all the thing again. Delete this all the layer or hide it. No problem. First of all, select any image. I can show you in the simple image right now. I can take. I can place one more image. Place. Computer, E drive, date, Photoshop, purchase November, image new. I can take single background color. I don't need a background from here. Maybe it is selected. Maybe. Okay. I don't know whether possible because this is the different color. This is the different color. I don't know whether it will be select. Go to the by color range. Select color range. Okay. Click on this portion. It will be selected. Increase it. And go to the this folder again. So it will select. This is the happen. Okay. So what happened? Right now I don't work for using shift. I'm not using shift. You know that, you know how to use this, how to remove this from the shift. I can directly go there and color gradient, or to this time I will fill pattern. I can also able to fill pattern. This is the pattern. You can find lots of wonderful pattern here. These are. Okay, I want to fill this pattern. Okay, but what happened? I don't need here. So how to remove this all the thing? Go to the this person, and this is the bright B, and you can work it. Increase the size. This is the white. Okay, for white brush for background. For the background we use white. Okay, this one a little bit shadow there. Again I want this hand again. So use black. Shift X. This is the black. I can find my beer again. This is a Homo sapiens. Understand uses of black and white? It is coming here again in the proper way. Understand everybody? So this is the one way. So color range, you understand what is color. Select by the color range. Okay, it is same for the background color. Change the background color. And it is really professional. The quality is good in this one because हमने इस image को देखो cut नहीं किया. Okay, without cutting the image. If anybody asks you how to change background without cutting the image, you can say that. Use the layer. This one is the same. Also use the layer option and use the color range. Okay. थोड़ी सा कलर रेंज सीखने में आपको टाइम लगेगा, बट इट्स ओके. कंट्रोल अल्ट शिफ्ट एस. आई कैन सेव दिस फाइल अगेन. डेमो 2. ओके यार ये बार बार सेव हो रहा है. यहाँ पे जाके सेव एज एंड यू कैन फाइंड PSD डॉक्यूमेंट. Understand? Control W. So Control W and color selection. Everybody know this option. Everybody know. Go to the adjustment and color range. Color matching. Everybody know. Okay, no need of that thing. And hair's color, eye color, everything you know how to make the black and white to color. You know. From the using of variation. Again I can tell you this all the thing very fastly in 1 minute. Suppose one black and white photograph, so I can take another photograph, not color. but bigger photograph. Okay, this one. Okay, first of all, in the Photoshop, open this document and one more option is there. Okay, Control J, you know how to make the copy, Control J, everybody know that. Okay, but in the mouse, if you drag in the new layer, this, you can find one copy. Understand? This is the lot of way. Actually, there is thousands of way of anything. So don't worry. So this is copy. I want to make it black and white to color. Black and white to. There are many way to make a black and white to color. I will give you the videos also. And first of all, if you want to make it black and white, go to the image, adjustment, and black and white. But this is not a good option. Understand? This is good for teaching the software to the application. But the expert are not using this option for the black and white. Understand? But they are never using this option for the black and white. So Control Alt Shift B. This is the option for this one. So what they do, how do they make black and white? They go to the adjustment and they go to the channel mixer and they find this window. Again, I can tell you this all the thing. How to make wonderful black and white. Excellent professional background, black and white. Go to the image, go to the adjustment and go to the channel mixer. This is the 100% good and best for the black and white photographs. And sometimes this is the trend of photograph of black and white. Some of the people, they are using black and white photograph in the website also. And go to the, you can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 black and white ready-made option. Suppose I can use this first one. It will like this. Then use arrow key. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Understand? This is the real black and white. So this is the good thing. Then OK. And definitely this gray will come automatically. If even that, if you want to work good, you can use these images also. If you want to work, it is work. Understand? Then OK. So what happened? I want to make it. I will tell you time to time. Will tell you 2 and 3 more options. Okay. But right now I will tell you some of the some little bit option. So select by the first of all, from pen tool you have to select the eyes, select the lips because we don't need color. Select the face, everything properly. So what happened? Okay. I can do it very fastly, but try to use pen tool. If you learn the pen tool, you can finish your 80% graphic designing. I tell you 1000 of the time. Pen tool is good for the selection. Okay, but if because I am teaching right now, I can select another tool. Okay, so you can learn. Quick selections are there. Quick selection. This one, hold down the shift. This one, hold down the shift. This one. Okay, I will reduce the this one, and this is the tolerance 32. I make it 5 and I can drag it. No, it is not working properly. Make it you can, this is the color range. Okay, selection range 44. I can select it. Okay, it is selected. So this is the one way, but you do not select like this one. You have to select by the pen tool. Because I am teaching here, I am using very fastly. By the distance you can select your face, and after selecting this all the thing, you can find there is something missing. You can hold down the shift. You can increase if it is increase lots of things. You can use 22 and again this one don't it. Control Z. Okay, this thing. So what happened? Go to the shift and deselect this. Deselect this. Okay. After that, go to the selection very fastly. Save the selection, that is face, F, and Control D. Select it lips. I don't want to color the lips. P for pen tool. right click, max selection, 0.5, and then save the selection, that is lips. Go to the eyes selection, pen tool again, this is the Katrina Kaif photographs. They are the 12 sisters, and each and every sister is model. They are working as a model in other countries, other places, and they are going to success. And they are also saying that there is no shortcut way of success. So max selection again. This is the eyes. Go to the module. Go to the save selection. Eyes. IE1. Okay. Go there. Select the selection. I am doing very fastly. You can do very max selection, and you know. So what happened? I have to select this all the selection first. One, then selection, and load the selection. I2. Lips also. Add to selection, and again selection, load selection, and I3. This is I1. Okay, and add to selection. Okay, this one, and go to the selection. Load selection, subtract, add the selection तो होगा नहीं, intersect the selection होना चाहिए फिर से. देखता हूँ मैं, नहीं हुआ. देखता हूँ subtract होगा तो और अच्छा है. subtract कैसे हो सकता है? नहीं होगा. अब ये काम करो, सेव दिस सिलेक्शन अगेन. अभी कर ही लिया हो तो इसको भी सेव कर लो. फाइनल. ओके, अभी मेरे पास कोई सिलेक्शन नहीं, मैंने सारे सिलेक्शन सेव कर लिए. अंडरस्टैंड? देन गो टू द फेस सिलेक्शन एंड ट्रिम दैट सिलेक्शन फ्रॉम देयर. गो टू द फेस. ओके, एंड रिड्यूस फ्रॉम द फाइनल. Load selection, subtract to selection, final. Okay, so you can find this face. Okay, so how to change the basic thing? First of all, take it. If you want to take it copy, you can use Ctrl J here. Ctrl J. Otherwise, no need of Ctrl J also. But here you can use Ctrl J. It's good. Okay, I can do it from without Ctrl J. After that, what happened? Go to the. This is the selection. Selective colors there. Go to the selective color and do not go to the selective color. Okay, you can do it from your. I can tell you 2 to 3. This is the solid color. This is the solid color. Okay, this will come look like this. So go to the skin color. Skin color should be like this one. Make it. Okay, it's good. Near about good. But what happened? There is something missing. You know, there is sharpness is there. It is possible, but sharpness is there. How to refine? Control Alt I. Can I refine little bit? New skin layer. Okay, refine, and then you can do it. Solid color, make it gradient shade. Okay, maybe this one, and after this one go to the overlap is there. Okay, good. Understand? So this is the good way to make any photo file color to black and white. After this thing, you can go there, you can make the little bit color changes also. Again, I can show you this all the thing. This one, you know, everybody know how to select this image. Okay, how to get this selection. After that, go to the this one and solid color. And solid color, you can find the image color, tune here. You can find this color. This is called hexadecimal color. You can go to the Google and find skin tune. Okay, skin tune number, skin tune color, you can find there. You can copy paste here from your side. So you can find real skin color of everybody. And okay, I have an idea again. If I want to change this color, and I can suppose I can check this color. Not possible. So go there, non-masking, solid color, and make it skin. मैं थोड़े गोरा टाइप का बना रहा हूँ यार. ओके ठीक है, ये अभी जो भी है जितना भी मेरे से बन रहा है स्किन का ये लिया. आफ्टर दैट गो टू द ओवरलैप, दिस वन. ओवरले मीन्स ओवर मतलब ऊपर, ले मतलब लेआउट. ये बोल रहा है जो चेहरा है, चेहरा एक लेयर है, उसके ऊपर चले जाओ, जो चेहरे की स्किन के ऊपर लग जाओ. ओवर लेआउट, अलग से मत लगो, ओवर लेआउट लगो. अंडरस्टैंड? इट विल मेक यू दिस इफेक्ट. After that you can use little bit thing, more thing on that. This is the your color window again. So how to make the lips color? Again I will do it from the same way. Right now I am not using variation. Variation it is also possible, everybody know that. Yeah. Okay, variation में window खुल के आ जाएगा, वहाँ पे मैं मिला दूंगा मैजेंडा और वो हो जाएगा possible. But अभी मैं यहाँ से बता रहा हूँ. So go to the selection again, load selection and lips. लिप्स का है भैया ये है. ओके, यू दिस इज द लिप्स. डेफिनेटली वहाँ पे इसमें हमने शार्पनेस किया नहीं था, यहाँ पे आप थोड़ी सा फीदरनेस दे दो, एटलीस्ट 1 दे दो, हाफ दे दो इमेज के अनुसार. आई हैव यूजिंग 1. अगेन गो टू द देयर, गो टू द सॉलिड कलर. ओके, यू शुड ट्राई टू चेक योर सॉलिड कलर ओनली एंड मेक इट ब्यूटिफुली. देयर इज रेड आल्सो, पिंक कलर. चलो ये कलर आजकल लड़कियां करती है ना ऐसे, ये ठीक है. इतना लाइट, नेचुरल. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, एंड व्हाट टू डू नेक्स्ट? वेरी गुड. गो एंड ओवरलैप. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस इज द वे यू हैव टू मेक योर कलर चेंज हियर. बट वन वे इज मोर देयर. सो यू कैन डू इट फ्रॉम योर साइड. जैसे आइस का कलर है ना, ये ग्रीन, ये चेंज करना है अगर मुझे, तो मैं यहाँ पे जाऊंगा, ये सिलेक्ट किया, होल्ड डाउन द शिफ्ट, सिलेक्ट दिस आई बॉल्स. ओके, 0.5 फीदरनेस, 0.5 बिकॉज आइज है ना, ऐसा नहीं जानेगा. देन चेंज इट फ्रॉम द वेरिएशन, एडजस्टमेंट, वेरिएशन. यू कैन फाइंड दिस विंडो. ओके, अभी ये क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है मालूम है? ये ऊपर ये लेयर आ गया ना, थोड़ी देर के लिए इसको हटाता हूं मैं. अंडरस्टैंड? अभी देखता हूं मैं इमेज में एडजस्टमेंट में वेरिएशन के अंदर. हाँ, नहीं आ रहा है ये. ओके, कंट्रोल जे करता हूं इसको मैं. अरे यार सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ क्या? ये सिलेक्ट है ना. दिस इज ओके. अरे भाई इसमें है ही नहीं, यहाँ पे वो फेस नहीं है ना, यहाँ पे है ना फोटो. तो मैं क्या करूँगा, कंट्रोल जे करके ये पूरा सिलेक्ट क्यों हो रहा है? आई वांट टू डिलीट सिलेक्ट दिस वन. कंट्रोल एक्स करूँ, फिर भी रखा हुआ है. अगर मैं यहाँ से नहीं तो यहाँ से क्या है? लेंस, ब्राइटनेस, कॉन्ट्रास्ट. ये वाला ब्लू थोड़ा ना होता है. और ओके, डू इट फ्रॉम हियर ओनली. थोड़ी सा ये यहाँ से देखो, ये कर सकते हो. ये दिख रहा है ऑप्सिटी कम ज्यादा कर सकते हो. तो यू कैन फाइंड योर. अंडरस्टैंड? ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट टू कलर, कंट्रोल एस. आई कैन सेव दिस फाइल. यू कैन कलेक्ट दिस फाइल फ्रॉम द माई साइड. यू कैन वर्क एट योर होम. ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट टू कलर, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट. or PSD file. Okay, Control W. So you understand this all the thing, basic thing. Okay. मैं सारी चीज़ रिपीट कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अभी राइट नाउ क्वेश्चन आंसर, बेसिक फिगर, ब्राइटनेस, इंडेक्स, ये हो गया. ओके, वन फाइल इज देयर, क्वेश्चन आंसर, फोटोशॉप. इसका कोई यूज़ नहीं है. ओके, हाँ स्ट्रेल. और ये कब दे रहे हो फोटोशॉप में? ओके, पॉलीगॉन टूल. दिस फोटोज ग्राफ आई विल गिव यू दिस ऑल द फोटोग्राफ. दिस इज जनरल नॉलेज ऑफ द फोटोग्राफ. लाइक पॉलीगोनल टूल कैसा होता है, ये पॉलीगॉन टूल का एग्जांपल है. ये आपको व्हाट्सएप पे इमेज डाल के मिल जाएगी, है ना. दिस इज द इमेज ऑफ पॉलीगोनल टूल. सम टाइम पीपल विल मेक दिस ग्राफिक एंड देयर इज अ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विच इज दिस टूल. So you have understand this is polyline. A straight line is called polyline. Okay. So what is the uses of polygon tool? In the Photoshop, what is the uses of polygon tool? That I will show you. Building image, Bangla, November, December. Adding image to photo. पॉलीगॉन टूल का तो यूज मालूम होगा तुम लोग को. लास्ट है ये वाला, इसके बाद ब्रेक लो. ओपन विथ, I will give you two images. Use any car images, mostly car. Okay, this is for the general. At your home you can do it. You know, whatever you are doing, save that all the file properly. Whether you can work on the any in the future you can work on the my file. This is PSD file or your, but save this all the file. In the last I will make your profile, internet profile. Okay, in the last. So after this one, do one thing. After this all the thing, go to the some more layer. Swirl. Okay, these are the swirls. Some of the swirls are there. Ready-made swirls. Swirls I will give you. Okay, so do it here. Open with Photoshop. Okay, and do it here. This one. So there is some swirl there. Suppose Control A, Control C. Okay, go to the car. Control V. Put it here. Suppose I make it print here. I need this painting on this car, but very properly. Okay, so do it from there, here only, and make it smaller, and after that, there are thousands of ways, but I will tell you some shortcut way. Go there and dissolve, and after arrow key, this one. Understand? It will mix very properly, very easily. Dissolve it. No, there is very option that this is a soft light. Okay, suppose I want to use this soft light. Okay, but soft light there is something missing. So I can go there. I can use another light. So you have to understand this layer without using of any lots of tool. Without using a lots of tool, you have to understand this. This is the darker color. So dark in this section, dark color will be hide. After that, what happen? You have to use the E for eraser, or you have to use another thing also. Okay, don't worry, and you have to remove this. I don't need this remaining part. Understand? So it looks like that. suppose you can check, you can drop any of the photograph here, any of the stream, not only this one. जब मैं बोलता हूँ तो उसी पे काम मत किया करो, कुछ नया किया करो. तो ड्रॉप डाउन करना तो ये नॉर्मल रहता है, ऐसा दिखेगा ये. सो गो टू द दिस ऑप्शन एंड ड्रॉप डाउन, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड क्या हो रहा है वहां पे. तो ये अपने आप चेंज होगा क्योंकि वहां पे बिकॉज आई हैव क्लिक वन टाइम हियर, सो इन द hierarchy it will change. So this is the darken, this is the darken, and multiple different type of options are there. You can find different type of options there. So in this option I can find my proper color. Okay, suppose this one is the gradient, proper thing here. So after that what happen, you have to remove this outer area. You can remove this by the pen tool also, you can remove by the eraser tool also, but proper. So here I am using of eraser tool. Eraser tool, you can remove this all the thing. You can work with zoom level, very zoom level, understand? I am the teaching very fastly. This one, understand?
Yeah.
So you can paint your car according to you. Some of the good graphics you can use. So I have some of the swirls here. You can use this all the swirls. Suppose this one is the PNG. Some of the PNG images are also there. So you can drag it here. Okay, and not this one. More 5 minutes I will tell you. 2 minutes I need only. So suppose what happened, log this image. If any images you are not able to work in image, log. Suppose I want to log this one and use this one here, and I want to change the color. Okay, so go there and try to gradient, gradient color overlay, and make it white. Understand? Because this is PNG, so it is working here. No background. Okay, so it depend on you. Maybe you can remove the background of this image also. How can you remove? I will tell you within 5 minutes, within 1 minute. Suppose open with Photoshop. This is your, because this is the proper black and white. Okay, if it is not proper, make it proper. Control L and make it proper. It will become more black. Okay, after that what happen, you can click by this magic wand tool. Okay, right now these all the portion are selected. Then go there, right click, make it featherness only 1 and 0.5, not northern. Then Control X, you can find your layer and go there. Suppose if you want to need, so sorry ये नहीं चाहिए था अपन, मैंने उल्टा कर लिया, वो selection. ओके, तो अभी क्या हुआ, मैंने ये वाला व्हाइट सिलेक्ट किया है बट मुझे चाहिए ब्लैक है, तो इनवर्स सिलेक्शन, कंट्रोल शिफ्ट आई, इनवर्स सिलेक्शन. राइट नाउ ब्लैक इज सिलेक्टेड. अंडरस्टैंड? सो कंट्रोल एक्स कर लिया, या फिर मैंने कंट्रोल एक्स करने के पहले व्हाट हैपेंड, आई कैन गो टू देयर, आई कैन मेक इट फीदरनेस लिटिल बिट, सो मैं आई कैन टेक इट 1. ओके, देन कंट्रोल एक्स. ओके, देखो सिलेक्ट हो गया वो. व्हाट हैपेंड, आई कैन गो टू द सेम प्लेस, आई कैन कंट्रोल वी हियर, और I can, for this time I can hide this, my option, last option, I can hide this. Okay, and I need this one, and you know you can also do it, you can small and you can do it like here also, like this. अभी मेरे को ये थोड़ी सा ऐसा तिरछा करना है, स्टाइलिश, तो होल्ड डाउन द कंट्रोल, you can do it like here, ये देखो. Okay, and go there, make it white. Color overlap, make it white. Okay, make it yellow, make it according to your color, make it dark red, anything you can do it, whatever color you need. You can pick the color also from here, you can pick color. Understand? So after that it will work you, it will give you the good work. So this is the way. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, आप 5-10 मिनट आराम कर लो, मैं फिर से क्लासेस चालू कर दूंगा. एंड सेव दिस वीडियो सो दैट यू कैन लर्न दिस वीडियो. अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू दिस ऑल द वीडियोज, दिस ऑल द सोर्स फाइल you can find in demo 2, so that you can understand that all the fine from here.
Yes. I have respond you to.
ओके, अरे इसका रजिस्ट्रेशन कर दोगे यार फोटो लेके, अभी जस्ट करवा लो 2 मिनट में, ठीक है। बैच